What's the meaning of crew neck? Crew neck. Crew neck.
Crew neck. Crew neck. A crew neck is a type of neckline commonly found on t-shirts and sweatshirts. It is characterized by a circular, close-fitting collar that sits around the base of the neck. The crew neck was originally designed for use in athletic wear, but has become popular in everyday fashion as well. This style of neckline is versatile and flattering for many body types. It can be worn alone or layered under jackets or sweaters. The simplicity of the crew neck design also allows for bold prints and graphics to be displayed on the front of the garment.